my name's Thom. I just got off of the Blizzard Quattro RX. This is a 5 out of 5 star ski for me. This thing is an absolute premium ski and the definition of stable. Tons of power, endless edge hold. It just absolutely rips a turn. It's really for that medium to long radius turn. It's a very powerful ski, so forcing it into shorter radius turns is a lot of work. It's definitely a leg burner, but if you're looking for that pure performance on-trail ripper, this ski is fantastic. Definitely not for the faint of heart. You want to be a solid advanced skier or upwards to ride this thing, but it absolutely shreds if you ski it hard. 5 out of 5 stars.